In a steel warehouse, several ton steel coils were stacked on top of each other. An overhead crane was lifting one coil using a C-hook while workers cleared the area. At first, everything seemed normal, but during the lift, the suspended coil lightly touched another nearby coil. This small contact caused the load to tilt sideways, pushing against the adjacent stack. Within seconds, pressure between the coils increased, and the gap between them quickly closed, turning a routine lift into a serious hazard. This incident shows how important it is to keep a safe distance around heavy steel coils. Workers should never stand between stacked or suspended coils. Even a small movement can cause coils to shift suddenly and close the gaps, creating a dangerous crushing risk. Properly clearing the work area during lifting operations greatly reduces these dangers. In a manufacturing facility, a worker entered the guarded area of a press machine to adjust material inside the machine. The environment was a busy production area filled with conveyor lines and large material rolls. While the worker was making a small adjustment near the press, an unexpected situation occurred. The machine suddenly began to move, while the worker was still inside the hazardous zone. Because the energy had not been isolated, the press mechanism engaged. A simple adjustment task quickly turned into a dangerous situation due to the absence of proper safety procedures. Before any work is performed on such machines, the energy supply must be completely isolated and lockout-tagout procedures must be applied. Assuming that the machine has stopped is not sufficient. The system must be securely locked before entering a hazardous area. In a small workshop, a worker was making adjustments near a surface grinding machine under dim lighting. The machine was still in its preparation phase. When the machine was started, the grinding disc began spinning and sparks appeared as expected. However, shortly afterward, a loud cracking sound was heard and the disc shattered. Broken fragments were thrown outward at high speed, creating a dangerous moment inside the workshop. Such incidents show how risky it can be to use grinding machines without proper setup and safety equipment. Grinding discs should always be inspected before use, protective guards must be installed, and operators should stand at a safe distance during the initial startup. The incident occurred in an active warehouse yard. A female worker was walking near a large unprotected pit in the ground. At the same time, a forklift operator was maneuvering while carrying large sacks that significantly blocked his forward visibility. The load severely restricted the operator's line of sight. Because of this, the operator failed to notice the woman standing near the pit. As the forklift moved forward, the sacks struck the woman, causing her to lose balance and slide toward the deep opening beside her. Since the area was entirely within the operator's blind spot, the woman suddenly disappeared from his view. Such incidents demonstrate how critical visibility is during forklift operation. Operators should avoid traveling with loads that obstruct their vision, or should use safer methods such as driving in reverse